Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use text to speech on TikTok. So let's start. First of all, tap on the TikTok application, then go to your profile. After that, you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. You have to go ahead to record the video first. Hold this button for to 12 seconds to make the video. After that, click on the tick button at the right of your screen. Once you have done so, then add text from the top of your screen. This is a testing video for my viewers. So this is the text. Tap on the done. Once you have done, what you can do at this point, just tap on the text that you will see. Very first option, text to speech. Tap on this. Then you will hear the sound of this text. That's all. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.